Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you how to draft a basic collar, a basic shirt collar. So this is the shirt I want to draft the collar. So the round neck is 17 and quarter, and the extension, the button stand extension I have here is 1 inch. So now to draft this, I'm just gonna create a base on my pattern. So 17 and quarter divided by 2 is gonna give me 8.6. So I'm gonna mark 8.6 here plus 1. The 1 is for my button extension, my button stand, sorry. So all together here I have 9.6. So I'm gonna mark the 9.6 up here too. And I'm gonna square that up. So now I'm gonna find the midpoint of this 9.6. The midpoint of the 9.6 is giving me 4 3/4. So now I have the midpoint of my collar. So this is my center back and this is my center front. So now here I'm gonna go up by ½ inch. I'm gonna go up by ½ inch here, and I'm gonna go up here by 0.25. Now I'm gonna connect those points to the midpoint of my collar. So after doing that, now the next thing, I'm gonna impute my collar stand height. Now that depends on your own preference. It can be 1.5, 1.25 or 1 inch, but here I'm using 1 inch. But here at the center front, I'm just going to make it 0.25. You can use 1.25 here depending on how wide you want your collar stand to be. When you use 1.5 here, you use 1 inch here, but because I'm using 1 inch here, I'm using 0.75 here. So now I'm going to connect that point. So I'm going to connect this point to this point. So now after doing that, you come in here, because I don't want the center front of my collar stand to be straight. So I just want to curve it a bit. You can use your curve to do this. You can use your free hand. So you can either come in by 0.25 to do this, or 0.5 depending on what you want. So now I'm gonna go in here by 1 inch. I'm going in from this my line by 1 inch. So here now my collar stand is ready. My collar stand is ready. So now we're gonna draft the collar now. So here I'm gonna go up by half. I'm gonna go up by half. So I'm gonna connect this half to this point. That's that 1 inch I came in by. So I'm gonna connect the two lines. I came in here by 1 inch. I went up here by ½ inch, So I'm connecting it to the 1 inch I came in by. So now my color, I want it to be 2 inch. It's still your preference. Whatever you want here is what you do. So I want 2 inch here. Here I'm gonna do 3 1/4. 3 1/4. Now from this 1 inch here, you connect it to your 3 1/4 marking. So you can see what I have there. Now I'm going to connect this 2 inch to that point too. I don't want it straight there, so you can make it straight depending on what you want though. So this is what I have for my color now, but I don't want here too sharp for mine, so I'm just gonna go in here by half or 0.5. Okay, I think I should do 0.25. I mean, so it depends on what you want. You can even extend your color up to this place, but this is the basic color drafting. So now I'm gonna just connect it to that 0.75, and here I have my color stand and my color extension. There's my color stand and color, and this is ready. You can keep this, you can use this pattern to draft as many pattern as you want. If I'm working, this is neck 17.25. If I'm working with somebody of neck 16, I'm still going to use this color stand. I'm just going to take away one from here and still use this. The same thing applies. So you can always alter this color to create other colors. So as you can see, I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please, if you're just joining us, you can click on the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel, as we'll be uploading more interesting tutorials for you. Thanks for joining.